Today we'll be learning about how to create Epic Games account. For that, open any preferred browser on your PC. Then on the URL box you need to type in epicgames.com and press enter on the keyboard. So this will take you to the official site of Epic Games. So at the top right corner you can see the profile icon. Click on it. Then after that you will be taken to this sign in or sign up page. If you have already created an account then you can easily sign in. Otherwise what you need to do is you can simply add the email address and continue, or you can also sign in or sign up with all others applications given here. So for now let's click on Facebook because I want to continue with Facebook. Here you'll have to enter the email or phone and the password of the Facebook account. I already have auto entered the email address, so now let me enter the password, or else you can also enter the phone number as well. Enter the password and click on login. Wait for a moment and here it says in order to continue signing with your Facebook account, we need to connect it to an Epic Games account. So you can sign in or create an account by entering your email address. So let's enter the email address here and click on continue. Here you need to enter your date of birth. Let us enter the month, day and the year. After that you need to click on continue. All other information are set up, but you need to enter the display name as well. After you have set the display name, here it is given set menus, surveys and special offers from Epic Game. If you want, then you can check mark it, otherwise leave as it is. For now let's check mark, and the next is I have read and agree to the terms of service and check mark it as well. After that click on continue button. Then here in order to protect your account, we'll add email as your two-factor authentication. So you need to check your email and enter the security code here. So simply check your email and enter the code that you received and click on verify email. And after a while, if you check again your profile of this Epic Games, you can see that you have already created account on your Epic Games, because here at the bottom you can see the sign out option. So you have successfully created account on Epic Games. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then hit the like button, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.